U.S. equity futures bounced higher Tuesday, with investors remaining focused on the surge in global crude prices and the broader commodity complex, as global markets continue to count the costs from Russia's invasion of Ukraine. As fighting enters its 13th day in the war-torn region, the UN High Commissioner for Refugees said Tuesday that more than 2 million people have been displaced, with the government establishing its first formal evacuation route from the eastern city of Sumy. Russian forces have, however, reportedly suffered severe losses in the fighting, including 2 senior army generals, as soldiers continue to advance towards the Ukrainian capital. Oil prices continued their overnight climb, with crude testing $127 per barrel, after Deputy Prime Minister Alexander Novak warned that Russia could cut off gas supplies to Western Europe if leaders join a U.S.-led boycott of Russia energy exports. WTI futures for April delivery were marked $2.88 higher at $122.28 per barrel, while Brent contracts for May surged $3.08 to $126.26 per barrel during London trading. At the pumps, the average cost for a gallon of gas hit an all-time high of $4.104 yesterday, according to the consumer website GasBuddy.com, topping the $4.103 level set during the peak of the global financial crisis in 2008. Gold prices topped $2,000 an ounce in overnight trading, testing the highest levels in more than 2 years, as investors continue to drive cash into safe haven assets as Russia troops advance their march on Kyiv. Gold gained 0.55% from Monday's close to trade at $2,009.03 per ounce. Gold's all-time high of $2,067.15 was printed in August of 2020. In U.S. markets, where the CBOE's VIX volatility gauge remains stuck near the highest levels in more than a year, investors are looking to support stocks following last night's slump into correction territory for the Dow and the S&P 500, as well as the confirmed bear market close for the tech-focused Nasdaq. Futures contracts linked to the Dow Jones Industrial Average are priced for a 70-point opening bell gain, while those linked to the S&P 500, which is down 11.8% for the year and fresh off its worst single-day decline in 17 months, are priced for a 10-point bump. Nasdaq Composite futures are indicating only a 5-point gain, with the advance limited as 10-year Treasury note yields rose to 1.854% in overnight trading. Tesla, TSLA, Get Tesla Inc. reports shares were active in pre-market, rising 1.6% after official data showed solid gains for the carmaker's February sales in China, the world's largest EV market. The China Passenger Car Association, CPCA, said Tuesday that Tesla sold 56,515 domestically made vehicles last month, including 33,315 for export from its most important market. The headline tally was more than double the pace of sales recorded last year, but down around 5.6% from January levels. In overseas markets, Europe Stoxx 600 rebounded from yesterday's slump, which saw the German DAX fall into correction territory, with a 0.8% gain for the regional benchmark. Overnight in Asia, however, stocks were weaker, with Tokyo's Nikkei 225 closing 1.71% lower at a 16-month low of 24,790.95 points, and the region-wide MSCI ex-Japan benchmark falling 1.34% by the end of the session.